Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely crucial high-stakes trade that just played out on Bitcoin. Look at the charts. Yesterday's view versus today is a masterclass in market reversal, and it confirms why so many of you follow the guru frog. We had no major news, yet we saw a massive price breakdown. Bitcoin is down over 10% from the high, and we've seen over $1 billion in long liquidations. This massive outflow confirmed the bearish bias we've been warning about. The charts show we called the double top and the inevitable rejection. We are talking about the largest market cap asset, and my analysis caught the exact top of the move. Who else predicted a dump of this magnitude? If you are following my Telegram alerts, you were ready to profit from this move, or at least you avoided being liquidated. This is the difference between guessing and having a clear technical strategy. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.